be fun.
From Morgan Heritage, Ruben Shaw has appeared in some Hollywood movies such as Barbershop 3, which means me and him related, because I so like him have plenty money. The Next Cut, as well as ATL Homicide series. We have a chat with him now. Ruben, morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning, good morning. Thank you for having me.
Well, I know you're here, so we're related already, you know. So, but I want like you want to come out right now, you know. Oh, all is well?
Yeah, man, everything good.
Tell me your first memory of knowing that you're in this wonderful musical family. Tell me your first memory of that.
My first memory of realizing that I was in this family, I went to a studio in New York. I was probably about 4 years old. I'm an uncle in my practice and I want studio. And I'm seeing them rehearse for hours and hours. And, you know, they was doing everything, every kind of music you can imagine. And I realized, oh my God, like, yo, I gotta be a part of this thing right here, because they was doing it and I just was mesmerized by what they was doing. So about 5 years old, 4 years old, I arranged that. And I said, yo, Mama, there's something like what am I doing?
Yeah. And then when did you get a chance to do something like what them did I do?
You know, fortunately, man, my parents put the guitar in my hand when I was 6 years old, and they was able to get me lessons from the age of 6 to 13. And then I was able to, you know, make music in high school, produce records in high school. So from 6 years old up until now, yeah, I've been able to do music and, you know, do whatever I've been doing in the arts.
Produce records in high school? That's kind of easy, Bridget.
Yeah, man. I was fortunate to go to a high school out here that had a program called Music Technology that taught the kids how to make beats and all that in the programs and stuff like that. So that's why I'm gonna get my first chance on that play with the instrument, them on that make my own kind of music.
Okay. You ever lived in Jamaica?
Nah, I never lived in Jamaica.
Yeah. You've been here many times, I suspect?
Absolutely. I've been there many a times. I'm always down in Jamaica.
But,
you know, it's been kind of slow to get back because of COVID, but I'm always down there enjoying the festivities, especially Independence Weekend, Dream Weekend. My dad have to turn up with the whole live.
That's why I asked the question, because your daddy and thing you sound like it's a yard man bridging and the patois and thing. So you can manage that. Barbershop 3, how that come about now? Tell me about that one.
Man, you know, a lot of those major motion pictures for me actually happened by happenstance. You know, I was fortunate and blessed to just get up in those kind of movies. You know, I put my audition out, you know, I put my headshots out there. And then when I got the set, I got an opportunity to show what I can do. And, you know, everything else happened.
So what do you prefer? The acting, the music, the producing, what do you prefer? If you could only do one, what would you do?
If I could only do one,
yeah,
not lie, the way that the acting thing is going, I would do acting. I would do the film thing, because, you know, when you're in film, all the other things come into play. You could put music in there and all that, but as an actor, I want to play characters. I want to play, you know, all kind of great characters, artists, you know, Bob Marley, Bunny Wailer, Michael Jackson. It doesn't matter. Give me the role.
Yeah. How easy is that? Because I mean, I work in the media, but I'm a kind of shy guy, and I don't know if I could perform in front of people. How easy is that for you to change up your character and do things that you're probably not accustomed to in front of so many people? Is that can be easy to do?
The first time, no, it can't. It's definitely not easy, but as you do it more and more and more, you get accustomed to it, and it's very natural. It just comes easy, you know. You just snap into the character, you know. When they say action, it's time to work, especially when there's a check involved. It's very easy when there's a check involved.
Yeah. You said the acting, but you are from these are my thoughts, but you are from a musical background, and you're not going to give up that. You can't give up that, can you?
Never. It's impossible. I tried. It's like a force that just, it pulls me back. It pulls me back no matter what. So, you know, especially at this point in my life, it's like, you know, stop running away from it. Jump in at a thing and do it after that.
Yeah. Your grandfather is special. Your family is special. What kind of music do you do?
I do all music. I do the same music that they do, but more of an evolutionary flavor to it. You know what I mean? You know, my grandfather came into the game and he was mixing, you know, reggae with funk. My uncles came and they showed the diversity with the music that they could do. They could do reggae music, reggae rap music, country music, all kind of music that I deal with.
Yeah.
So I come with not only the hip hop flavor, you know, the R&B flavor, but I got the lovers rock, I got the dance hall, I'm out the wall out of spectrum. So it's my style with it, you know.
Yeah. And having said that, what's going on with you right now musically? What have you done recently?
Well, recently, you know, I just released 3 singles this year. January was Alien. Uh, you know, my first single, you know, had hip hop trap style with a little bit that dancehall DJ sing G flavor. Then I dropped Winning through VP, VPAL, you know, big tune. Y'all go check that out on all streaming platforms. And Bands, a R&B single. So, you know, all kind of music already out, and y'all can expect more of that. Y'all can go check all those things out. iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, whatever y'all got, go check that music out, you know?
Tough times now, Ruben. Last year was an incredibly tough year. What about your acting? Have you been able to do anything? Are you doing anything now? Anything coming up pretty soon for you?
Well, you know, like you said, it's been tough times. So as far as the movies go, you know, things have slowed down extremely in the game. So, you know, I've been getting a lot of scripts and we've been talking about filming, but we know, you know, we're trying to follow these protocols for COVID and we're trying to get things back safe so we can get back to work. So, you know, things have slowed down, but things are definitely on the horizon. I'm looking forward to getting back on these sets and getting to work. You know what I mean?
Yeah, fantastic. If you had an opportunity to work with one artist and one, I'm going to ask you the same question, one actor or actress and one artist that you haven't worked with yet, who would you want to work with?
Well, as far as acting, you know, of course, you know, I'll go male and female. Male wise, you know, Denzel, or, you know, female wise, Angela Bassett. You know, I want to work with the greats.
Yeah. And musically?
Musically, and you know, as far as you know, hip hop, you know, Jay-Z, them type I'm on Beyonce, them type of people. And as far as reggae, right now, I want to work with, you know, Beanie, Shensia, Coffee, all of them. Everybody who's hot. It's hard to name just one name. It's just so many great artists.
Fantastic. Anybody you want to hear up in Jamaica now?
Yeah, I want to. My grandfather, my uncles. You know, I know y'all down there watching. My mom and my dad is down there watching. I know all of Jamaica and the diaspora. Where they are, enough music to come, enough films to come, and y'all stay safe during this time. Let's follow the protocols. Let's just stay safe. We don't really know what's going on, but if we stay safe, we can get back to normal as soon as possible.
And don't forget Uncle Neville, yeah? Don't.
Uncle Neville, I'm not gonna forget you.
My brother, good to meet you, my friend. Know that when I watch movie, I can say, see my family there, there's a big actor. Good to meet you. And you stay safe also, my friend, and good luck with whatever you decide to do. It seems like you're such a confident person that I think whatever you take up, it will work for you. So God bless you and the family, all right?
Thank you. You take care. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, man. Ruben Shaw, member of the huge Morgan Heritage family, outstanding musical family. After the break, we have a fun stuff. We don't do that yet? Soon come.